Hello Tribal Makers, my name is Michalle Malev and welcome to my channel. In today's Tuesday combo, we're going to learn an intermediate level fusion belly dance combination. It's 4 sentences, 32 counts, a fun follow along dance tutorial. Come and play with me, learn some new skills, polish your previous ones. But before we begin, make sure you're warmed up, that you have a glass of water nearby. And I would like to say a quick thank you to all of my viewers and all of my subscribers. Thank you guys. And let's begin with the practice. The first sentence, the basic dance posture. So feet parallel to each other, hip distance apart. Free the knees, relax them, bend them a little bit, activate your core muscles, tilt your pelvis inward, elongate the spine, roll the shoulders backward, and we're going to put one arm on top of the other. From here, for the first 4 counts, we're going to slide our hips to one side, and on the next 4 counts, we're going to slide it back. So we're going to slide on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Make sure that when you're sliding your hips, that it remains parallel to the floor. That the hip doesn't go up, it doesn't go down, it remains parallel to the floor. On top of that, we're going to use our arms. So we're going to take our arm and we're going to lift one arm to the side and we're going to slide the lower arm to the side as well. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5, 6, 7, 8, we're closing. This is the basic. So we'll add our hip slide into it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're creating this lovely shape with our arms and with our hands. On top of this, to add a little bit more drama and more interest, we're going to add a pop on the count of 4. So on the count of 4, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now popping is when I contract and release a muscle really fast. Popping is a style that we take from breakdance. It has this beautiful, energetic, powerful, sometimes even robotic style kind of movement to it. And it's basically contract and release the muscles really fast. You can do it with your arms, with your pecs, with your glutes, with your quads, with the hamstrings, whatever muscle you have control over, you can pop it. And it takes time to practice it. Imagine yourself being surrounded with static electricity around you and you accidentally touch something that is either woolly or metallic and then you jump. So this is exactly it. This is the feeling that you have in your body. It's this kind of like, oh, what happened here? And it adds a lot of drama and it's a very small movement and it has so much impact. So play with it, see what looks good on you. When I pop my arm, I usually add my pec, but if you only want to pop your bicep and tricep in the arm, it also works beautifully, whatever looks better on you. So again, from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing to the other side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, let's continue. On the second phrase, we're going to slide our arms to the side on 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now I like to create this half circle shape. You don't have to. You can have a straight line here, whatever looks good on you and whatever you're feeling comfortable with. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're going to separate our arms and we're going to draw a heart with our arms here. So you separated it here and you're basically drawing a huge heart and allowing your arms to go to the side. Now when you're doing it, make sure that the wrist is soft because in the next phrase we're going to add very strong arms. So this will create this contrast between this soft movement you just did into a very sharp movement that will follow in a second. We're going to add this arm movement into a Maya. So we're going to do, while we're sliding our arms, so let's just do the Maya. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 2 Mayas and we're basically just doing our Mayas slowly and with pleasure while we're doing all the arm work. Now if this is a little bit difficult, you can just do the arm movement or just the Maya wherever you are in the practice is good. And with time, again, you will get there. So let's do the same thing to the other side. We have just the arms and then we'll add the Maya. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add our Maya. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let's do the whole combination from the beginning. So from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let's do the same thing to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's continue. On the next 4 counts, we're going to lift our arms up on the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, since this is a very simple movement, you need to add a lot of tension and intention in the arm. Remember that I told you that when you draw the heart, you need to have soft wrist. This is because here we're going to have sharp, strong, powerful arms, as if we're moving them through something really thick, as if we're moving them through honey, or maybe you have lots of weight that are carrying your arms down, but you're resisting them, so you have lots of drama and tension in your arms. Strong arms, powerful palm of the hand. Imagine that you're shooting lightning out of your fingertips. I know you feel the blood rush through the fingers when you're lifting your arms up like this. So again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to do some snake arms. So basically we have one snake arm. Here we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Now articulate every joint in the arm when you're doing your snake arm, and really enjoy it. It should be juicy and strong and powerful. Good, let's relax our arms. And we're going to add shimmy into it. What, you thought that we're just going to do some simple arm movements when we're in intermediate level? No, we need to work here. So get into your shimmy here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Now let's do it again. This time we'll start with this arm. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's do the whole combination from the beginning. Relax your legs a little bit. We have, and this is the leading side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for some kind of reason I started my shimmy a little bit late here. So let's do the whole combination again with this side. I know, but you know, when the teacher fucks up, everybody needs to redo the whole exercise. So from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I know I have tendency to fuck up a lot, but this is how you practice, by fucking up things. 5, 2, 3, 4, and now I don't know how to count. Good, this time it was okay. Let's do the same thing to the other side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Continue shimmying, and we're going to the next phrase. We're going to continue layering our shimmy with some upper body isolation. This can be a little bit difficult for some of us since we're in different levels in our practice. So we can just do the upper body isolations or just the shimmy. Whatever feels comfortable at this moment is wonderful. Let's do the upper body isolation. So from here we have chest on the up. So we're lifting our chest up and down on the count of 1, 2. On the count of 3, 4, we're lifting our shoulder up and down. Very simple. It's up and down. So chest goes up, down, shoulder up, down. Now, when you're doing the chest up and down, remember that the action is actually all in the back. It's all here in your scapulas. The rotator cuffs are taking your scapulas inwards and out. So the chest goes up and down, but it's basically the upper back that does all the work. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5, 6, we'll have another chest on the up. So we have 5, 6. And on the 7, 8, we're going to close our arms so they'll be ready to continue the combination to the other side. So let's do the same thing to the other side as well, and then we'll start adding the shimmy. So just the upper part. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do the sentence to both sides with the shimmy. So start your shimmy here. And from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do the same thing to the other side. Still shimmy. Remember to breathe here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let's do the whole combination on both sides. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Now let's play with the music. Breathe. Relax. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shimmy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, relax into the drama here. Really enjoy it. Play with your eyes here and with your smile. Relax. 5, 6, 7, 8. Just up, just down. Shoulder, shoulder, just up, just down. Again. 1, 2, 3. Up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Eyes, strong gaze. Relax the arms. Relax your head. Strong arms. Just up, just down. Shoulder, shoulder, just up, just down. Other side. Breathe. Pose. Great job, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the practice. If you did, join the tribe and subscribe to my channel. I upload new Tuesday combos every Tuesday, so you are more than welcome to check out the previous tutorials, mix and match the combinations, create your own dances with them. That's it. I'll see you next week, and remember, life is too short. Enjoy it. Bye.